Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire win. They up on the Cumberland side. Portmore. Dog them. People stay true to wealth. Pretty cars, enough money, Gucci belt. Watch her who she fell. Lose everything and see if she don't move to them. Move go with a dead rich boss with a big yard and a couple coupe in there. Tell her about she not the second first still. Yeah. Tell him when you learn. Everybody with you when you reach an earn. We just a live and a learn. Lose everything on the bridges I go burn. Burn, we just a live and a learn. Them are the young and the riches of the world. The riches of the world. We just a live and a learn. Just a live and a learn. We just a live and a. You live and you learn. Them a wonder the jigger so firm. A man thing and a yearn. A rich kid a drive through on the lane. And them a wonder where the beam a go turn. Them not ready yet, I must fast food. Them who the dead if you never make boss move start shoot. None of them are done a grassroots friend. No day one them fake than a friend. Everybody with you when they reach and earn. We just a live and a learn. Lose everything on the bridges I go burn. Burn, we just a live and a learn. Them are the young and the riches of the world. The riches of the world, we just a live and a learn. Just a live and a learn. We just a live and a. Big life. She want chill in a pool and better king size. She don't even want a youth, no one bring life. Nothing tried, everybody fist inside. Yes, I saw she hype and stay. Everybody have to see say she a drive one late. Be man know where she reside and stay. She lost for me prayer, say she find her way. Everybody with you when they reach and earn. We just a live and a learn. Lose everything on the bridges I go burn.
Over there I do some roast chicken they say, some roast chicken that me have there so, and some frigazade chicken as you can see. Roast frigazade, I eat that. Give me frigazade that I show you now, sauce and everything. From work right now, they call me specials. Meaning when they come on the chicken, me and G when they come on the chicken. So anything we do with chicken and me do. Anything we do with chicken and me. That's we got married and they call me specials. Well, as a youth growing up, cooking was always a passion for me. When I mean passion, I mean a real passion for me. So you can remember back in the days. I started cook from age 9. Remember me I tell you, age 9, that's it. So how it started was that alright, when every young youth I run up and down outside, I run up and down see them, but more likely they're in the kitchen and watch my mother cook. So remember this one time I tell you, it had a key everything. This one time, once my mother look for some curry chicken. So I say my mother cut up her season well nice, well cut up and well nice. Mother cut up her season. Our scallion, onion, thyme and them things there. See me? And then because a woman light her stove. She will look at oil in her pot. Get her curry, grate her ginger and her garlic. You see me grate her ginger and her garlic. So I say, Mommy, what that for? She never answer, but did I observe same way. So I see she goes so and throw it in the pot. Throw the curry in the pot first. Then when she throw the curry in the pot now, she does. She throw in the season, burn it in the garlic. Burn the season in the garlic. You see me? So all of that flavor, man, tell you, all of that flavor just come up in here. It just smells so nice. And then from that time it just like we just hook on the thing. You see me? Live to cook and cook to live. Yeah, it's like people that say a third live. Without it, I never talk. Without it, I never know. I never know myself. I like everything. I do baking, everything. See me? As I said, in the video, I'm going to show you now. And just click the link, like, subscribe and share. You see me? I'm going to show you now for the whole heap of things. I do some whole heap of things. And you can give me an idea what I want to see to you see my recipe and them something there. What I want to see me prepare because we are say a life of a Jamaican chef. I remember one time again, I did it and like I did my uncle yard. And my cousin I cook something. You see me? So like he might cook some food. I said the man goes up, woman, dash some salt in my pot. I mean so this man dash the salt in my pot so. Man dash the salt, whole heap of salt in my pot. And I'm like, oh really? So I say, oh, I want to try that. So like my brother them are row boat because when me young me I tell her say oh Jamaica say row boat all heap of boat usually road, all heap of cooking. Then time the 100 like can get all heap of something 100 can get a complete meal. Man I cook much in rice and chicken back. Me start off with you see me, how much in rice and chicken back and things. You see me? So like we are doing I cook one day and something named Bushan. And my brother them a cook on Bushan and I go follow the man and throw the salt in my pot so I tell her the Bushan nice but it's salt. Remember I look up my brother I go take it dumpling and wash it off and I fight me I tell you that day then. But I don't mess up back again after that still. I remember the first time I cook rice. Done a porridge. You see me? So from this thing start. So yeah. But my day still you see me? I go and do it. Just check it out, you see me? I have a recipe I come up in a week. In a week I have the recipe I come up. Spicy shake and pepper. You know we Jamaican love our spice, isn't it? So if you are a fan of spice, you just can just check it out. And when you check it out, you can just do it here, doesn't it? Do it for the family. You don't have to make it too spicy if you have children, isn't it? But just check it out. As me I say. Big up. Shout out. You see me? Shout out to the Soul Life fam. You see me? Because we're there on it again. Another video. You see me? Another episode. So you can check in back on next time for another episode with your boy. You see me? We just go and do it.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching.
What's happening? I know what they might do. I know what they might do.
Chop it. Hey, cut it. Slap it. Chop it. Hey, got a knife in my hand. Work in my hand. Recipe plan. Please fund it. Jamaican chef. Doing this thing. Subscribe and share. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well.